Yeah, you bad guys. Um, whoa. Um, Injury laying on the bed. I don't know what to do with myself. Got a band-aid on my leg, on my arm, yeah. Got my band-aid on my arm, yeah. Just got my band-aid on my arm, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Got a band-aid on my arm, yeah. Got a band-aid on my arm, yeah. Got a band-aid on my arm, yeah. Stanley Steamer got my butt cleaner. Stanley Steamer got my butt cleaner. Oh, Stanley Steamer got my butt cleaner. Stanley Steamer got my butt cleaner. Stanley Steamer got my butt cleaner. Oh, Stanley Steamer got my butt cleaner. Stanley Steamer got my butt cleaner. Stanley Steamer got my butt cleaner. Oh, Stanley Steamer got my butt cleaner. That's right. Stanley Steamer gets my butt cleaner. You got it. My butt cleaner. Woo woo. Woohoo. Stanley Steamer gets my butt cleaner. That's right. Stanley Steamer gets my butt cleaner. Um, I don't know. When are those guys coming to work on the air conditioner? Well, I got a question for that. I just wonder. Well, I hope that she sends them. Hope the landlord sends that those air conditioner guys. I wonder if she will. And let's see where it gets my butt cleaner. Freeze on the air conditioner. Ice on the air conditioner lights. Maybe I should call Timmy. Timmy, can you fix our air conditioner? Hey, Timmy. Hello, Timmy. You hear me at my house? Timmy. Timmy. Hey, Timmy. Timmy. Hey, Timmy. Hello, Timmy. Timmy. Hey, Timmy. Hello, Timmy. Fix our air conditioner. Hey, Timmy. Can you fix our air? Oh, that was Amazon. Well, I hope so. It's not. Oh, man. They're so slow, man. Yo, they're so slow. Hey, Timmy. Fix our air conditioner. Timmy. Fix it now. We should have called Timmy. I called Timmy. We should have called that commercial. We just all called Timmy. I'll just call Timmy. What about air as commercial? We gotta call Timmy. Yep. Well, I called Timmy. Did you call Timmy? Yep, I did. My neighbors did too. They called Timmy. Free. Does he need a commercial for his free time? Both told me a secret about his free time hobbies. Is he need a commercial? We all called Timmy. And he was like, yep, I called Timmy. Yes, I called Timmy. Yep, I called Timmy. Called Timmy today. That's right. We all called Timmy.